हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू ऑल ऑन योर चैनल कॉमर्स विजन। और स्वागत करता हूं मैं आपके अपने चैनल कॉमर्स विजन पे। और आज स्टार्ट करते हैं हम क्लास 10th की फिर से एक वीडियो जो होगी आपके क्लास 10th की और 10th के बैंकिंग चैप्टर, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर रिगार्डिंग योर बोर्ड एग्जाम दिस ईयर, बिकॉज दिस ईयर काउंसिल हैव रिड्यूस्ड सो मेनी चैप्टर, सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर रिगार्डिंग योर बोर्ड एग्जाम. मे बी 20 to 25 marks question will be asked. So in this chapter today we will discuss about the meaning of check, parties of check and features of check. So I am here to discuss about the meaning of check, parties of check and features of check. So student, without wasting time, let us start. First of all, we know very well we having different types of deposit, different types of account: saving, current, recurring, fixed. Number of types of deposit we have. Okay. So student, in case of saving deposit and in case of current deposit, we get the check facility. Already we have discussed in case of saving and current we get the check facility. With the help of the check we can withdraw the money, we can transfer the money, and when we get the check from any person we can deposit the money also. So check is very beneficial, so we can say that check is very beneficial for us. So now listen carefully, what is the meaning of check? According to Negotiable Instrument Act 8081, yes, according to Negotiable Instrument Act 8081, a check is an order to your bank, because check is an order to your bank. You have given order to the bank to pay a state sum from your account written on the specially printed paper. Means you have given order to your bank to make payment. Okay, to make payment. What amount is written on the printed paper? Means what amount written on the check. A negotiable finance instrument unless otherwise indicated. In the case of check, student, we have mentioned the name of that particular person. Yes, sometimes we have used self word when we have withdraw the money for own use. Okay. So check, according to the Negotiable Instrument Act 8081, a check is a negotiable instrument act. अब आप बोलोगे सर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ negotiable instrument? Such an instrument which one easily transfer to the one person to the another person. So check is a negotiable instrument and it is given order to your bank to pay the stated sum from your account written on the specially printed paper. Okay. Which account holder get check facility? So check facility given to the saving account holder as well as the current account holder, and it is used for transfer to the money, withdraw the money. So it is very beneficial for business purpose as well as in your personal life. Next one is this one, how many parties of check? कितनी parties होते हैं आपके चेक में? In case of check we having 3 parties: drawer, drawee and payee. Drawer, drawee and payee. What is the meaning of drawer? अब आपके माइंड में आता है what is the meaning of drawer? So student, a maker who signed the check ordering the bank to pay the amount to him or the person mentioned in the check. Means check का जो ओनर होता है, जो अकाउंट होल्डर का ओनर होता है, उस पर्सन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ड्रॉवर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई जस्ट गिव वन एग्जाम्पल टू यू. लाइक ये है मिस्टर राम, इन्होंने चेक किसको दिया? मिस्टर श्याम को दिया. ये है मिस्टर राम, इन्होंने चेक किसको दिया? श्याम को दिया. और जो चेक था वो था यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का. Okay, the check is related to which bank? Union Bank of India. So person who given check to the next person means who have make the sign on the check ordering to the bank to pay the amount to him or the person. इस चेक में नाम किसका है? मिस्टर श्याम का. Person mentioned in the check. So वो person हो गए. Ram is the drawer. Okay. Drawee कौन हुआ? The bank on which the check is drawn. वो चेक जिस बैंक में ड्रॉन होगी वो क्या हो गया? ड्रॉई. लाइक यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इज द ड्रॉई. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पे? द पर्सन टू हुम द अमाउंट ऑफ चेक इज पेएबल. द ड्रॉवर हिमसेल्फ कैन बी पे ऑल्सो. जिसको पैसा मिलेगा वही क्या हो गया? पे हो गया. द पर्सन हु गेट द मनी, दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज नोन एज अ पे. लाइक इन दिस केस Syam will be paid, and who is a drawer? Ram is a drawer, and who is a drawee? That particular bank will be drawee. Sometimes friend, drawer also become a payee. Drawer also become a payee means Ram भी ड्रॉवर भी बन सकते हैं और पे भी बन सकते हैं। कम व्हेन राम विड्रॉ द मनी, व्हेन राम विड्रॉ द मनी फॉर सेल्फ यूज, जब उस चेक पे किसी पर्सन का नाम ना हो के उस चेक पे क्या लिखा हो गया हो, सेल्फ। व्हेन राम हैज रिटन ओनली सेल्फ ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर चेक, सो दैट टाइम ड्रॉवर बिकम आल्सो पे, drawer himself can become payee also when drawer withdraw the money for self use. So I hope you understand what is the meaning of drawer. Drawer is a person who make the sign on the check order to the bank to pay the amount to him or to the person mentioned in the check. Like in first case we have transfer the money to Mr. Syam, in second case Ram withdraw the money for self use, so both condition will be applied, दोनों हो सकता है। Okay, drawee कौन होगा, that particular bank, and what is the meaning of payee, the person who received the money. Sometimes drawer himself they become a payee. Okay, I hope you got the meaning. We having three parties: drawer, drawee, payee. And what is the meaning of check? A check is a negotiable instrument act, negotiable instrument which one easily transfer to the one person to another. Okay, a check is given to the saving account holder as well as the current account holder. It is used for withdraw the money as well as for the transfer the money. Okay. Next one, what is the feature of the check? So listen carefully. The first feature of the check is what? Check is the written instrument, because everything have to mention in the case of check. Check is the written instrument. Okay. So in case of check, we have to mention the name of payee. We have to write that particular amount. We have to write the exact date. We should mention the signature. So it is a which type of instrument? It is a written instrument. Next one is check is order. Already we have mentioned in case of meaning, a check is an order. Check is an order. In case of meaning as well as feature, both place it is mentioned. Check is an order to whom? To the bank to make the payment. So check एक तरह का order होता है बैंक को कि पेमेंट करने के लिए order कर रहे हैं आप. It is unconditional. In case of check, no need to mention the condition. When we have withdraw the money, so no need to mention the condition for which purpose I have withdraw the money. So student, no need to mention the condition. That's why it is unconditional. Next one, we have to mention certain amount, and your amount should be same in that word as well as in the figure. So we have to mention that certain amount in case of check. The first one is it is a written instrument. Second one is it is an order to the bank to withdraw the money for the and transfer the money. Next one is unconditional. No need to mention the condition. We have to write the certain amount. And next one is we have to mention the name of the payee. It may be some other person, or in some condition drawer himself can become the payee. अगर किसी और पर्सन को देना है तो we have to mention the name of the that particular person in front of pay. If we have withdraw the money, so we have to write the self. Next one, it is a payable on demand. It is a payable on demand. चेक तभी दोगे जब सामने वाला आपसे क्या करेगा, when the next person will demand to you, so check will be payable on demand. The next one is the signature of drawer should be must. Without signature of the drawer, check will be bounced, check will be dishonored. So student, signature of the drawer should be must. Next one is that check will be related to that particular bank. Check will be related to the particular bank. Like in case of this case, this check will be related to the Union Bank of India. So that particular check will be encashed to the Union Bank of India only. So student, in case of check, we have need of particular bank. Means वो check किसी ना किसी particular bank से related होना चाहिए. Next one, no stamp not allowed. Stamp not allowed in case of check. Like in case of an institution, okay, that head of department not use the stamp. Stamp नहीं use कर सकता, because if anybody just got that particular stamp, वो भी मिसयूज कर सकता है. दैट्स वाई बैंक अलाउड करता है कि हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट का सिग्नेचर होना चाहिए. स्टैम्प नॉट अलाउड इन केस ऑफ चेक, क्योंकि आप स्टैम्प यूज कर दो, मान लो आप किसी हेड ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन का स्टैम्प गुम हो गया, कोई थर्ड पर्सन पा गया, वो भी स्टैम्प लगा के चेक को क्या कर सकता है, इनकैश कर सकता है. दैट्स वाई स्टैम्प नॉट अलाउड इन केस ऑफ चेक. सो स्टूडेंट, वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द मीनिंग ऑफ चेक. Check is what according to the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, it is an order to the bank to make a payment. Next one, we having three parties of check: drawer, drawee, and payee. Drawer is a person drawer is account holder, the person who make the sign on the check ordering to the bank to make the payment to him or other person. Next one is the drawee is the bank, and payee is the person who received the money. Sometimes drawer himself can be paid, and we have discussed about the feature. It is a written instrument, it is an order, it is unconditional, and it have a certain amount. We have to mention the name of the certain payee. It is a payable on demand. Signature of drawer should be must. We have to, that particular check will relate to the particular bank, and last one is the stamp is not allowed in case of check. Okay, only stamp is not allowed in case of check. So student, I hope you got the meaning of check, parties of check, as well as the feature of check. Thank you very much.
And that's what they call me. I promise that you never be